Hello students, how are you? Today we are doing an experiment that is convex and concave surfaces. Okay? To understand the phenomena of concave and convex surfaces, we have this experiment. Now I tell you about this. Any surface, we know that there are spherical surfaces like you have the spoon in your home. This spoon have two faces over here. One is outward and other is inward. The outward surface of the spoon is called convex surface and the inward surface is called concave surface. Okay. Now we will see that what the image will be formed when the concave and convex surfaces will be put up after the image. For this experiment, you know that there are two fishes shown in this diagram. The both fishes are of equal shape and size. Okay, the fishes are of equal shape and size. So if we put a convex surface ahead of the one, then what will happen? This is the experiment. Okay, for this experiment we just keep this paper over here where the two fishes are shown equally. You can see two fishes are equal and two fishes are equal, and you can see that two fishes that are of equal size are kept over here on a image. Now take a glass like this, and this is a glass which doesn't have any kind of design over it. This is a simple plastic glass you can find anywhere in your city, and keep this glass here. Okay, now you can see two fishes. One, still the fishes are of same shape and same size. Now if I pour the water in the glass here, then you see that the image of the lower fish enlarges. यानी क्या हुआ, the shape of the lower fishes enlarges, and you can see that this fish become larger than its shape. So the upper fish is basically, because you can see here over here, though we can say that the upper fish has still the same size, but the lower fish size has increased. So we can say that the convex surface increase the size of the object. That can be said that, in the other words, that the image formed by the convex lens is greater than of its natural size. So in the opposite conditions, if we use the concave surface, then the size of the image will be smaller than the actual size. Okay, so did you understand this? I think you have enjoyed this experiment, and also you have understood the concept of concave and convex surfaces, and you have understood that how the convex surface enlarge the image of the object. Thank you very much.